Legal experts are now calling upon the Employment and Labour Relations Court to provide guidance on the changes provided in the Employment Amendment Act of 2021. In particular, the experts say there is need for clarity as to whether the newly provided 4-month-long pre-adoptive leave is inclusive of the existing provisions on both maternity and paternity leave. Julius Amboko has the details.
The Employment Amendment Act of 2021 was first published as a bill on the 15th of March 2019 and passed by the National Assembly with amendments on the 2nd of March 2021. At its core, the new law amends the Employment Act No. 11 of 2007 to afford a 1-month pre-adoptive leave with full pay to parents who apply for the adoption of children. Experts indicate the new act is a step in the right direction for Kenya's labor market.
So that will bring changes to the workplace in the sense that employers will now have to update their HR policies, in that they will have to now grant employees who are proceeding who are proceeding to adopt children the pre-adoptive leave for 1 month with full pay, which is unlike other countries like I think South Africa, where the pre-adoptive leave the employees are not paid, but they are paid by their employer's insurance.
The new law casts its net wider than those who are adopting children.
The adoptive leave it's also a way for surrogate parents to enjoy some form of time with their newborn. In that, if an employee gets a child through surrogacy, he or she will be entitled to pre-adoptive leave. Also, the surrogate, the mother who gave birth to the child, will also be entitled to maternity leave on their side.
This laudable steps notwithstanding, there are calls for clarity on the provisions of the new act governing the labor market in Kenya.
It's still uncertain whether this pre-adoptive leave is in addition to the maternity and paternity leave. Such that when someone takes the pre-adoptive leave, thereafter, is he or she entitled to maternity or paternity leave, as it may be.
Parliament is also now expected to develop regulations which will guide the recognition of surrogacy in the workplace.
So it's also now for Parliament to develop laws and policies through public participation regarding surrogacy, so that once that is developed, we may also see an amendment to the laws that have, to the employment laws that have just been passed, now providing for more time for the surrogate and also the adoptive parents to spend time with the newborns.
Julius Amboko, NTV.